eyes. Look around and breathe out, closing your eyes. One last time, breathe in and open your eyes. And this time, when you close your eyes, keep them that way. And allow my words to guide you deeper and deeper into a nice, comfortable state. You can hear my words as that of a dear friend or confidant, someone you trust, someone who cares about you. So begin to relax even more by focusing on your fingertips. Notice any sensations in your fingertips. And what kind of sensations you are feeling nearby. The textures, the temperature, focus on your palms, only on the palms of your hands now. Maintain your focus within the palms. Feel a gentle sensation begin to rise when you focus on the palms of your hands. What do you feel in your palms? Everyone feels something different. Perhaps you feel a tingling sensation, or maybe a warmth, perhaps a coolness. Some even sense a kind of magnet effect. Others just say they feel the energy in their palms. Now notice, is the sensation stronger in one hand than in the other? Focus on the hand that is stronger. Just place your attention on it, noticing the quality of the sensations here. And now, focus on the weaker hand and wait with patience for the same sensation to appear. You can even imagine that you can send some energy from the strong hand to the weaker hand. Notice how you feel when you focus on this sensation.